Welcome to another video of Startup Tech Hub. Wax candle manufacturing business. Government of India with Ministry of Micro Small Medium Enterprises, KVIC Village Industries Commission and NSIC. To generate successful entrepreneurs and industrial professionals. There are many projects under this umbrella. Let's go detail into wax candle manufacturing business. The contents we will discuss as follows. 1. Introduction. 2. Market potential. 3. Implementation schedule. 4. Technical aspects. 5. Total capital investment. 6. Fixed capital. 7. Working capital. 8. Profit analysis. 9. Machinery suppliers. Wax candles. A candle is an ignitable wick embedded in wax. Although it is an age of electrical illumination, light out of wax has got its charm and pleasure. Market potential. Candles are mass consumption items and are widely used for lighting and illumination in household, churches and other religious places, hotels and restaurants. Artistic and decoration candles also have very good potential. Basis and presumptions. The estimate are drawn for a production capacity generally considered techno-economically viable for model type of manufacturing activity. The main raw material for the candles is paraffin wax and is a controlled item. The Director of Industries of the state makes its allocation to the user. The other raw materials such as starch acid, wick, etc. may be purchased from local market. Implementation schedule. The product is very simple to manufacture just by using molds. 1 to 2 months is sufficient for complete implementation of the project, including the processing of molds and raw materials. Technical aspects. Free wick is to be winded in required molds in the given grooves, lubricate with the lubricating oil. Screw the molds as per the no given, melt the wax and add the color, mix it well. Pour the melted wax into the ready molds, keep the molds for cooling for about half an hour. Unscrew the plates of the molds and take out the candles from it and pack it in either number or weight. Total capital investment required. Fixed capital value for Rs 27,000. Working capital value for Rs 50,700. Means of finance. Promoters contribution 5% of total cost. PMRY subsidy 15% of total cost, whichever is less. Bank loan. Total cost promoters contribution plus PMRY subsidy. Fixed capital. Land building. Own or rented premises at a rent. Machinery and equipment. Required. Molds of various sizes. Wax melting vessels. Stove for melting wax. Common balance. Miscellaneous items. Working capital. Staff and labor, supervisor, semi-skilled worker. Raw material. Paraffin wax. Wicks. Lubricating oil. Packing materials. And utilities, other expenses. Production capacity per annum. Production capacity per annum quantity, 15 tons per annum. Machinery suppliers are available with local dealers and manufacturers. If you like the video, like and share. Please subscribe the channel, Startup Tech Hub, for startup business ideas, innovation, technical informations and training. Thank you.